this video, I am going to talk about today's free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see what are the top 5 free certification courses that you can do on Udemy. So the very first course is Google Chrome Extension Development for Beginners 2020. In this course, you'll be able to learn everything you need to know about Google Chrome Extension Development. Now going for second course, and it is Swift for Basics Step-by-Step iOS 12. In this course, you'll be able to learn to program Apple's new programming language along the basics of Swift 4, 5 to create iOS 12 and Mac apps. Now going for third course, and it is JDBC. So in this course, you will be learn everything you need to know about JDBC. Now going for the fourth course, and it is Lead Generation Mastery with Facebook Lead and Messenger Ads. This course will help you to create magnetic Facebook lead ads, conversion and messenger ads to boost your Facebook marketing and get more customers. So you can do this course too. Now going for the last course, and it is Learn HTML in a Weekend. So in this course, you'll be able to learn web development in HTML, CSS and JavaScript and 3 pillars of the web development. You can do this course too. So you can do this 5 free certification courses from Udemy, and you will get the link of these free courses in the video description. So please check the description to get your link.